In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to optimize your images for SEO, step by step. So let's get started. So first rename the image you want to optimize with your target keyword. Then go to all posts from post in WordPress and open the post you want to add image in by clicking on edit. So now the post is open, select this image and click on edit button. Here first enter your targeted keyword in alternative text and update it. Once done, click on this update button as well. Then go to Media and select Library. From here select an image and here also enter your targeted keyword in alternative text and close it. Similarly open another image and repeat it with all images of the library. So this is how you can optimize your images for SEO. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.